Now, ever since the SVB and Credit Suisse banking woes have rippled through global markets, interest rate expectations have rapidly changed. You can see here that markets were previously, just a week ago, expecting a terminal rate for the Fed of about 5.28%, and prior to that it was closer to 5.70%. They're now expecting a terminal rate of only 5%, and markets are seeing, a 20% chance of no rate hike at all at next rate meeting for the Federal Reserve, which is on Wednesday, the 22nd of March. Now, if the Fed do start to signal a pause and start to confirm this less aggressive pricing for interest rates, that could lift the S&P 500. So that's definitely something to watch out for. If we do have a dovish Fed, or they announce a pause or a pivot, anything like that, that should lift the S&P 500. And the banking crisis seems to be under control. We've had FINMA and the SNB issue a statement on the Credit Suisse scenario, and the Fed are backing up SVB. We've also had other banking positive news coming out for the US, that it doesn't seem to be rippling through markets in a domino effect, but that of course could change, so we have to be aware of it. But the seasonals for the S&P 500 are coming up are very strong. From the 23rd of March to the 2nd of May, the S&P 500 has gained 84% of the time between March the 23rd and May the 2nd. And the average return has been 3.44%. So would a dovish Fed boost the S&P 500 on Wednesday? Now, major trade risks. The major trade risk here, of course, is if there's further banking troubles that emerge, that could sink stocks. Also, the Fed may push back against that stir market pricing, and that would be a headwind for stocks. They might say, no, markets are far too conservative. Inflation is much more of a problem. We are expecting to keep hiking interest rates. Remember, HYCM clients can access the Seasonax product in order to analyze over 25,000 different currency pairs, indices, commodities, as well as individual stocks. Please do contact your account manager for a free trial to get started right away. Certain products and services mentioned herein may or may not be available to all clients, depending on which HYCM Capital Markets Group entity their trading account adheres to.